What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another really cool keycap that I want to share with you all. Now, if you remember when we opened up the Captain America Shield keycap, we had a second one in here that we never took out. So let's get to it and let's see what we have inside. You all have no idea the patience it takes me now to open these things up prior to the video. I always want to save the excitement. So, well, another unusual packaging, and let's see what we have in here. Let's flip it around. Wow, that looks nice. This one is actually so cool. Very unusual packaging. Feels like it's just stuck in between two pieces of nylon. Oh, that's actually very genius. It's like not touchy. It's like floating in the air. So weird. Very cool. Let's open it up. See, it says push here. Maybe it's meant to stay in here because it's handmade and you don't want to ruin it. But I want to use my keycap. Very cool packaging indeed. Wow, would you look at the detail in this? This is definitely handmade. Very nice. This is a very nice keycap indeed. MMD, I'm not sure what that means. Cherry MX stem. Feels like just solid plastic, or maybe even some sort of resin. They definitely did a good job on this. So let's put it on the keyboard and let's see how it looks. I'm sorry, Captain America. It needs to go next to where it belongs, the gauntlet. Wow, that is very neat. That looks so cool. Very, very, very nice. Would you all look at the detail and just admire this nice piece of work? It's definitely not translucent. It's just a solid keycap. Very well made, very nicely detailed, and definitely worth it. Remember, if you all want to see any of the keycaps here on the keyboard reviewed, they are all on the channel. Also, all the links are below if you're interested in purchasing any. Alright, everyone, I'm definitely starting to feel like a keycap nerd lately. I'll make sure to keep getting them so you don't have to, or you can make a better choice prior to buying one because you are actually able to see it, which has usually been my biggest problem when buying a keycap. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what's up. And remember, everyone, be kind to one another. Don't be Thanos.
What did you do? What did you do?